Okay, it's so frustrating to trade with a prop firm that is having a drawdown that is based on equity, guys. You can easily fail their challenges because they draw down of the rules, guys. They have strict drawdown rules. So now this is where now the FundedNext comes. So the FundedNext is one of the prop firms, is one of the new prop firms in the trading industry. So they have been in the game for since 2023. 2022. They have been in the trading industry since 2022, and they are based in UAE, United Arab Emirates. So they also have offices in UK and the United States. So as you can see now, I'm on their website now. So what's up YouTube? It's your boy Tangeni once again. I'm back with another video. So if you are new to this channel, hit a like button, subscribe to the channel so that next time when I post, and turn on the bell notification so that next time when I post a new video, you will be notified and you will not miss out. So I do prop firm reviews, and I also do weekly forex market analysis every weekend. So if you don't want to miss out on those, hit the notification bell, subscribe, turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified when I post a new video. So as you can see now here on the FundedNext website, they have a Discord. They also have a Facebook and a Twitter accounts. It's where you can get access to the traders that are currently using this prop firm. As you can see here on the website, they have a Stellar and they have Evaluation, they have Express. So let me just go through so that I can show you what they are offering. So now what makes FundedNext different? So what differentiate between FundedNext and other prop firms? As you can see here, FundedNext, they have a 15% profit share from a challenge phase, meaning that you can make money from the challenge phase. So there is no time limit on the challenges, and they also have a drawdown rule which is based on balance, guys. This is what I like about this prop firm. Their drawdown is based on balance instead of equity. As you can see, they are like FTMO, so meaning that you can only violate their drawdown rule when your account go beyond the account balance. If you just, okay, let me just go through here. Let me just make it easier for me and you. So max daily drawdown is calculated based on your balance. If you have trades running when a new trading day starts, the balance at that time will be considered for daily drawdown calculation, not the equity. This is to deliver on our promise of the world's most reliable prop firm. So they have also low spreads and lowest commissions. So they have the lowest commissions. They have no time limit, so you can also make profit from the challenge phases. So now the FundedNext challenge phases, as you can see, they have challenge type 1, which is evaluation, and also they have type 2, which is express. So this model is designed to assess your trading skills in two phases by hitting a realistic profit target. Evaluation model comes with the biggest initial profit share of 80% once you receive the FundedNext funded account after achieving the profit target. The profit share will increase by up to 90% according to your trading skill. So on the express Type 2, we intend to create a trading model that let expert traders hit an ambitious profit target with no time limit at achieving. So there is a time limit here on the evaluation, and on the express there is no time limit, so you can take your time. It's your choice. You choose now. At achieving the target, you will start trading on the FundedNext funded account with a 60% profit share based on your performance. This share of the profit percentage will increase up to 90%. So in the evaluation phase, you start at the 80% profit share, and on the express, you start at a 60% up to 90. So that's where the difference is. So now let's move on. So now there is a Stellar challenge. The Stellar challenge, FundedNext Stellar challenge. It has no time limit, balance based drawdown, 15% profit share from the challenge phase. So let's move on. As you can see now here, we are on the Stellar challenge. So there is a swap account and swap free account, step 1 and step 2. So there are also platforms, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. You choose which one do you want to choose. So and account sizes. Now you start from 6K up to 200K. So here the profit share from the challenge phase is 15%. Profit target in phase 1 is 8%. and phase 2 is 5%. You see the difference here. Instead of the 10%, they are asking 8%. In phase 2 is 5%. So this one is much more achievable. Maximum daily loss is 5% and maximum overall loss is 10%. Now drawdown type is balance based. It is not equity. So that there's no time limit here at the Stellar Challenge. So the minimum trading days is 5 days, and the commission is $3 per lot. Profit split up to 90%. Trading leverage is 1 to 100. News trading you can trade. Weekend holding, you can hold your trades during the weekend. You can use EA expert advisors. You can also use trade copiers, and you can also reset discount at a 10% discount. Refundable fees now. 6K account is just 59, and the other one on the other challenge evaluation it's 49. So now, okay, here you can also see the prices in euro or US dollar. It's up to you to choose which one you want to pay. So now let's get to the other one. Now the other one is evaluation. As you can see, evaluation one. So the most popular one is a Stellar Challenge. So now let's go to the evaluation. So the evaluation account size is from 6K up to 200K. Profit target is here is 10% instead of 8%, which they are charging on the Stellar Challenge. Profit in target in phase 2 is 5%. Maximum daily loss is 5%. Maximum overall loss is 10%. Drawdown type is balance type. So time limit, here there is a time limit. So phase 1 is 4 weeks and phase 2 is 8 weeks. So as you can see, you see the difference here. So minimum trading days 5 days. Commission is $3 per lot. Profit are split up to 90%. Trading leverage is 1 to 100. News trading, you can trade the news. You can also hold your trade during the weekend. You can use EA expert advisors. You can also use trade copiers. So a reset discount is 10%. Refundable fees these are the refundable fees, guys. These are the cost of the account that you want to choose. So for you not to pay this amount, use my discount coupon code that I will drop on the screen. I will also drop it in the video description, and I will also drop in the comment section so that you cannot pay this amount for this account. So once you use my discount coupon, you will receive a discount. So that's it, guys. Let's move on to the other one without further wasting any of your time. So I'm trying to make the video short so that I cannot waste your time. So yeah, now let's go to the express one. The express one is the same account starting from 6K up to 200K. Profit target here is 25%. You see the difference here. So here it is at the express one, you are in phase 1. You only have one phase. So in a Stellar, it's phase 1. Profit target is 25%. Maximum daily loss is 5%. Maximum overall loss is 10%. Drawdown type is based on balance. Time limit, there is no time limit here. You can take as much as you want to finish your challenge. So there's no time limit there. Minimum trading days is 10 days. So commission is $3 per lot. Profit split up to 90%. Trading leverage is 1 to 100. News trading, you cannot trade news here. You can also not hold your trade during the weekend. You can use expert advisors. You can use EAs. You can also use trade copiers, and you can reset your account at a discount of 20%. Refundable fees, these are the cost of the challenges, guys. As I said, for you to pay the lowest amount of this amount, you use my discount coupon and my link to receive a discount, guys. I'll drop in the comment section. I'll also drop it in the video description, guys. So let's move on now. So that's it, guys. That's it. So if you want to check now where they are situated, you just scroll down until you can just scroll down until you reach below here. You can see down below here they are situated in UAE. There is a license that they are operating with, so they are situated in UAE, so United Arab Emirates. So now let's move on. Now let's go to Trustpilot 2. There you can also go through their FAQs. They have FAQs. If you have something that you want to know about these prop firms, you just click on these FAQs and then you check for yourself what is there. So let's move on now to Trustpilot to check what other traders that are already using these prop firms, what are they saying about these prop firms. So we want to see the experience, what do they experience during when they are using these prop firms. So we want to check whether we can trust these prop firms. So let's move on to Trustpilot now to check what other traders are saying about this prop firm. So as you can see now, I'm on their website of Trustpilot. So you just click here and then you put in the name of the prop firms that you are interested in. Okay, let's now put in FundedNext. Okay, you just click here. Okay, now as you can see here, we are on the page or the profile of the FundedNext. You can see here it's a verified company. That is where you have to pay attention to, and you have to also pay attention to the logo of the company. Okay, they have over 7,557 reviews, so which is excellent. They have a 4.7 ratings. So now the other thing is that you have to pay attention to is now whether they have replied to the negative reviews. As it looks here, they have replied to 85% of the negative reviews, which is good. So now let's move on and check read the reviews of the traders that are currently using these prop firms. So now the first one is had a confusion about having multiple IPs, which is IP address, as I usually trading while on the go, as my job is a truck driver. Got set up a dedicated IP, noted with FundedNext rep, got assured that now IP won't be any issue. Received prompt help and clarification thanks to Scarlett from the FundedNext. So yeah, let's move on to the next one. So now, okay, today I'm a happy winner. Oh, this one doesn't concern me because it has nothing to do with the experience of the people that are already using these prop firm. So this company is serious. It was my first time asking a question on their live chat support, and I got answered in a matter of seconds. You don't see this anywhere. Some companies live chat are dead. It takes too long to respond. The fact that FundedNext reply quick shows how much they value the customer and how professional they are. Amazing experience. So now let's go to the next one. So I would like to say I think FundedNext is a great prop firm with a lot of great features and incentive for a trader, like the 15% profit from your both challenge phases as well as their fast MetaTrader growth, next saver, and unlimited trading days. I have already gone through this. It's available on their website, so I don't have to go through that again. So now let's go to the next one. So FundedNext is a very good prop firm with very good support team who will resolve any of your doubts, queries, issues instantly. Just pass a challenge with them. Very good experience so far. So that is what we need. So as I said, guys, there are fake reviews. You have to be careful with these reviews. They are fake reviews which is roaming around this Trustpilot website. So you have to be careful which you have to check which review makes sense, guys. So I am a new client of FundedNext and I encounter problem with my account, but by providing assistance, fortunately resolved by the support team. One of them named Freddy. Thanks a lot for the members attaining a very good and valuable assistance as well. With FundedNext support team, everything is alright. Just contact the Funded support team. So let's go to the next one. Going through phase 2 of a 15k Stellar account, and I have also just won another 15k Stellar account through a Twitter giveaway that I'm gonna be working with. Great company using their own broker with good spreads and commission, very good challenge prices as well. Can easily recommend them. So let's go to the next one. So far so good. I'm a funded trader with FundedNext. Challenge phases and funded phase was pretty good, but I haven't reached my payout cycle yet. I'm writing this review for customer support I got from Sandro. I will update my review as soon as I get my payout. These are the kind of reviews that we need from serious people that are telling the truth about this problem. Support is very helpful. Had a problem after getting funded with different location activity on my trading account. Linked my account to TradeZeller. I showed them it was because of that and they immediately corrected it. Now funded. Next step is the payout. That is good, guys. So I don't have to go through all the reviews, guys, because it will take up much of my time. So now let's go to the bad one, to the last one. Support for FundedNext really sucks. They use an AI bot that provides generic responses, no way to talk to a human. I just purchased a challenge and was having trouble setting up MetaTrader 4. Try to get some helpful directions yesterday, 10 to 23 to resolve the issue, but did not resolve. Then today, this morning, I played around with trying to get help for almost about 60 minutes before going to work. Then after work, I spent about another hour with the Discord. I don't have permission to write. I'm trying to get my money back. So that was the last review that we have. So guys, be careful, guys, not to lose your money, your hard-earned money, through these funny prop firms, guys. You have to choose the right prop firms for you. Make sure that you are right. You are choosing. You get more information about the prop firm before you invest your money in any of the prop firms, guys. So, guys, as I said, I do not sell anything in the forex space. I don't do mentorship. I don't sell forex courses. I don't sell forex signals, guys. I provide signals for free in my Discord. I also have a Telegram group where I drop setups for the week. So I will drop the link in the comment section so that you can join for free. You don't have to pay anything. If you see anything pretending to be me selling you a course, guys, do not buy anything, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.